Hello, today we'll be installing a tri-fold tonneau cover on the 2005 Chevy Colorado. As you can see, this tonneau cover comes pre-assembled in the box. So let's get right into it and set it on the truck and see how it fits. So after setting it on the truck bed, it looks like it matches the width of the truck pretty good. Let's check out the other side. Well, so far it looks like it's going to be a good fit. Let's flip it around and see how it's going to mount. Well, it looks like we got 4 mounting clamps we'll have to install. And I'm sure there's 2 more in the rear. Not bad. It's got a nice rubber seal going all around the bed cover too. And this should be all the hardware that we need to install it. It's got these threaded rods and these handles which should thread onto these rods. And should use the remaining brackets to grab onto the bed. Which should look something like this. And the other part of the threaded rod goes onto these brackets, which can slide over if needed. Looks like the cat's wondering what happened to the old bed cover. Well, now we can unfold it by releasing the securing straps on both sides and put it in position to see how it's going to fit. And these are our rear latches tucked in under these covers. Looks like it's going to have to slide over to the left. Let's check the other side to see how it is first. Yeah, I'm going to move it slightly to the left and recheck it. Yeah, that looks pretty good there. Well, let's fold it back up and get it tightened down. We can start by inserting the threaded rod portion with the short side into the bracket. I tried it the other way and it stuck out too much and was noticeable from up top. And we can now insert the mounting clamps and the tightening handles. And since I already adjusted the bed cover, I'm going to just tighten them down snug. And now we can just repeat for the remaining 3 clamps. And these brackets do slide over to the side in case you do need to reposition them. Now that we got it tightened down, you can see that we got a good seal all around with no gaps. Now we can fold it out again and finish installing the remaining 2 latches. This latch allows us to slide it outward or inward in case the bed was more narrow, but we want to position the latch so it's straight up and down, so we'll have to slide it over a few notches to the left. Now we just gotta adjust the clamping height of the latch by turning it clockwise to tighten it or counterclockwise to loosen it. And as you can tell, the latch is too loose, so we gotta rotate it clockwise and tighten it some. And that's just about right. And now to repeat on this other side. And that just about does it for this install. Let's check out how it came out. And it looks like the kitty approves. I'll leave you guys with some walkarounds. I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please click that like button to support my video and channel. And click that subscribe button if you haven't done so already.